Please, please, please.
Oh.
Can we please now go finally give the ogre the rusty fly? Please, 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 please. Yay! Let's go!
It has been a month.
Meow, 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 meow.
Okay.
Right.
Let's go
give him it.
finally give him this little fly that he's been wanting.
Oh, so what happened to that Timmy guy? What happened to that Timmy?
I don't know.
Like the blue monkey.
I don't know. He kind of just evaporated. Okay.
Maybe there's gonna be spoilers for the new Origin coming out. You, Mr. Ogre, you want this? It's very good tasting. He didn't like it. He didn't like it.
Oh my god, he wanted his rusty fry, bro. The rusty fry. Come here, buddy.
You noob! Don't mess with my friends. Do you know who I am? I am. I'll catch you. That wasn't very nice.
I'm coming back. Don't kill him yet. I will protect you. I will save you. Just wait. And don't kill him yet. I got him. Okay, guys. Let's go give him his sour drop. He ate it?
Yeah, he ate it. It's not there.
Yay! Yay!
Help me!
Ooh!
He got angry. He said he wants two, not one.
Mr. Ogre.
You messed with the president. Oh, your bag.
Mr. Ogre.
Your bag's here. Also, I don't know where your what'd you just throw?
A football.
Where did the pickaxe go?
I have no idea.
No, there's a football. There's Rusty Fry!
How Rusty Fry? Wait, he didn't eat it.
Wait a minute.
This idiot.
That freaking bitch!
We're angry now.
You cat! Move! That meanie!
Chicken!
Let's go do our other jobs. Since you didn't like it. Chicken! Can we start mewing again? Our mewing session.
Chicken!
That's pretty good mewing right there.
Chicken!
That's good mewing!
Chicken!
Chicken! What the hell is wrong with you, chicken?
Chicken?
Oh, he's doing the moonwalk!
Oh, chicken!
Have you seen that dance? He's Michael Jackson.
Get your
chicken, I want that egg, please.
That's not very nice. That's not very nice. That's not very nice.
That damn chicken is a bitch. Yeah. Oh, baby, I'm play on you tonight. Punch you down into.
Yeah. What was that? Whee!
Smelly ogre's back.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna have to juke him. I know how to distract him.
Go!
Let's play football! He just smacked it out of his hand.
Idiot!
They were very scary.
Oh, wrong way. Idiot! This stupid chicken. What is he doing? Chicken! Oh my... Okay. Ooh.
I think this is my bag.
Yay!
This is probably my bag.
Yay!
I meant to get my paycheck? But how am I meant to get my grapple? My favorite thing in the whole world.
Here you go.
Where are you?
It's a grapple.
Oh, I'm trying to put it on you. Ready?
I can just do that. Ooh.
Wait, where's my grapple hook at?
I gave it to
Let's
you.
get out of here.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Go out, paycheck.
Ah! Oh. Where do we go? That's the
Yeah,
dark
bro, where are you?
part. That's the dark part.
Follow me.
Scary. Oh.
Bro, I can't believe Boss moved out of this place. He moved.
Boo.
He moved. Boss, why did you have to turn into this rock? This exact rock is him. I missed you, Boss.